The law office of Rivers J. Morrell III, a highly credentialed personal injury attorney located in Orange County, California, utilizes expert accident reconstruction and computer animation to create visual impact in presenting a case to a jury. The following is an example. In this accident between a truck and a motorcycle, Mr. Morrell retained an accident reconstruction expert and animation company to create a visual presentation of his client's liability position. The presentation was designed to show the jury that his client was not at fault. The following was taken from the animation, created under Mr. Morrell's direction by Forensic Animation and Imaging. The case settled favorably for Mr. Morrell's client. The yellow pin marks the general accident location. The names of the parties involved have been removed to protect their identity. No adverse weather or road conditions contributed to this accident, which occurred almost an hour before sunrise. We have zoomed in for more detail. This image shows the position of the accident vehicles at the moment of impact. The environment and vehicles are accurately scaled. To meet trial standards, all vehicle movement is governed by accepted time-distance equations. Note that the image orientation has changed. North is now to the right. This is the same moment in time. We have moved to a ground-level position to show more detail for the accident vehicles. This is a view looking south at the opposite side of the truck. We will now move to the impact side. The truck has been moved back to where it started its U-turn. We have reduced lighting to represent the dark conditions almost an hour before sunrise. Next, we will watch the truck's motion as it turns. We have moved the truck back to where it started, and taken the rider's position on the motorcycle. The road elevation is accurate, having been built according to survey data. The reconstructed accident information reveals the motorcycle was traveling approximately 69 miles per hour before it began braking. The speed limit is 55. In this scenario, we will show the motorcycle approaching at 69. We know from the accident information when the motorcycle started braking. Before this, the rider saw the truck turning, which prompted the rider to brake. We have used 2 seconds for the perception-reaction interval, a standard value under these circumstances. This is the view available to the rider 2 seconds before braking. This is just before the motorcycle starts going down. Speeding at 69 miles per hour results in the motorcycle still going 61 at this time. With the distance remaining, the excessive speed means a collision is unavoidable. Let's see what would have happened if the motorcycle approached at the speed limit. We have moved back to the location where the speeding motorcycle saw the truck turning. This is where the 2-second perception-reaction interval started. Instead of going 69 miles per hour, the motorcycle is going 55. We will use the same braking effort as applied in the accident scenario. The motorcycle has come to a full stop. It is 114 feet away from the truck's path. Now we will compare speeding at 69 miles per hour with the 55 speed limit. The motorcycle will be shown in 2 versions. the speeding one will overtake the non-speeding one. The beginning of perception and braking will be the same as used in the scenarios already shown. We have moved to a top view to see how far away the speeding motorcycle was when the truck driver decided to turn. The time shown is 1.5 seconds before the truck starts moving. The motorcycle is so far away, it is understandable that it was not seen. With the line of sight available to approaching traffic, and the truck being conspicuous, the truck driver reasonably thought he could complete the turn safely. The motorcycle rider was highly trained and experienced. By choosing to speed at almost 15 miles above the posted limit, he sacrificed the opportunity to avoid a collision. If you or a loved one has been involved in an accident and in need of a highly successful and credentialed personal injury attorney, please contact Mr. Morrell.